Yeah.
It's not that.
It's quiet here today, Sunday morning, or Sunday 1 o'clock. Yesterday was jumping, wasn't it? That's right on the river walk down there. Whoops, I'm a bit jumpy.
Tower of America.
Tower of Americas. Don't think we're going to go in there though. Being in one tower, you've been in them all. This was a good place to eat. Went there last week. Not quite sure why an English phone box is painted blue, but it's supposed to be red. I didn't get your picture, I just took a video. And that leads down to the river walk. That was Crossed House. Really, really nice patio out there. Live music. I'm not quite sure what that is, but we'll find out.
sun.
This is the Riverside Walk in San Antonio.
Is that?
You say it's the Riverside Walk in San Antonio.
I wouldn't actually be easy just to fall in the water. Like.
Should be to smell all the food through the phone.
Smells gorgeous.
Lovely, isn't it? There's much to see, right?
Tell you what I did find though, I found a proper gated pigeon. Look at that little bugger.
Just rolling up the way to get to Mars, laughing all the way, laughing all the way, laughing all the way.
Lone Straw. I'm on the Lone. Back on the Lone Straw beer.
That's my name of mine. Oh, no, Bud Light. It's not Bud Light though.
Definitely not Bud Light.
It's Lone Star.
you don't want none of your time. Ooh, I don't want your love. Love is the kind of thing you know that me. Oh, hanging on the passenger side if I get bad right. Try to holler at me. Oh, I don't want. Sitting in the morning.
Time for a Guinness. And Dirty Nelly's Irish pub, and actually it's not a bad Guinness, considering. What are you having?
I got a hop. It's Irish though.
Pretty cool here, like. Tell you what though, you know how close that is to the edge. Tell you something now, like us Geordies would be in that water, and they probably telling you, I wouldn't even trust myself. Half cut, walking along that, not a chance.
Was there? Oh dear. 7 old ladies locked in a lavatory. They were there from Sunday till Saturday.